In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed iubenda code. This process is quick and straightforward, yet it's essential for ensuring your website is compliant with privacy regulations by displaying your privacy or cookie policy clearly. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your iubenda account. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to set one up. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your iubenda dashboard. This is where the magic begins. From the dashboard, navigate to the project or website for which you'd like to embed the policy. It's crucial to make sure you're in the right project if you have multiple sites linked to your account. After selecting the correct project, head over to the section labeled Privacy and Cookie Policy, or perhaps Terms and Conditions, depending on what specifically you wish to integrate into your site. This section is designed to help you manage and generate all the necessary privacy-related documentation for your site, and it's where we'll be pulling our embed code from. Once you're in the right section, look for the embed option. It might also appear as an icon, like the familiar code brackets, depending on the display settings on your dashboard. Click this option to view the available integration settings. You'll be met with a few choices here. You can go for standard embedding, a direct link, or direct text embedding based on how you intend to integrate it into your site. Each method has its own advantages, allowing different levels of customization and placement depending on your needs. Once you've decided on the best embedding method for your site, you'll see a block of code generated. This is the embed code you'll be using for integration. Simply copy this code to your clipboard. Now, the next steps may vary slightly depending on the platform or CMS your website uses, but let's focus on a common scenario, using a CMS like WordPress. For WordPress, you typically have several options on where to insert this code, such as in your theme's footer or header. Sometimes you might prefer using custom HTML or code blocks or widgets. These areas are all accessible usually through your theme settings or widget management areas in WordPress. Before you proceed, decide where on your page the policy should be visible. The footer or header are great choices as they are consistent across all pages. Head into your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, and then either Editor or Widgets, based on where you want to place your code. Find the appropriate file or widget, such as footer.php, and locate the section where you want the policy to appear. Paste your iubenda code snippet there. Once you've pasted the code, make sure to save or update your settings. Then, take a moment to view your website live. Ensure that the policy appears as expected and that it's readable and functional. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded your iubenda code, helping ensure your website stays compliant and clearly communicates its policies to your visitors. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to explore iubenda's support resources or ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.